posters. There are different sizes of posters, and we can see examples like A4, A3, A2. I uploaded a few sizes from the internet. Let's go to the Canva homepage. And here on the left side, we can choose templates. And now we can choose marketing, and here we will find posters. So click on the posters. And now we see that we have a lot of themes. Here on the top, we can go to the right side. So we can choose any of topic. For example, I am clicking for festival posters. And now we see a lot of posters. So we see free, we see for Canva Pro users, and we see with arrow paid. And if we are free Canva users, we can use this templates. So we can click on it and we can click customize this template, and we can see what is paid on this template. So we can go to share button on the right side and click download. And now click download, and we see that in this poster is one premium image. So this image paid €1. So we can find this image and we can delete it. So I'm deleting. And we can go to elements and we can search for sparkle, aesthetic shape, or just sparkle. And we can choose graphics. And here we can find free sparkle. For example, I can choose this one. We can click on it, and we can see to our design, we see that this sparkle was white. So we can make the same. Click on the sparkle, go to colors, and we can make it white. Now we can duplicate. And we have free poster. So we can go to share button, download, and download. And we see that it is free. Let's come back to our Canva and see more about posters. So I'm coming back to posters. We see themes. We can filter. We can filter by format, print ready, language or style, themes, feature, and color. If you don't see the filters, you can click all filter and you can filter on the left side menu. For example, I'm choosing elegant, aesthetic, minimalist, and let it be business, marketing, and sale. And I am clicking apply. And now we see only these posters. We can click star if we like the poster, and later we will find them on the Canva editor page, projects, and start. So we can add a page and click on posters which we liked. Let's come back to Canva homepage. So when we are in this templates page, we see that when we click on the template, we can choose size. We can choose A3 size, A2, or A1. So we can choose any size, and then we can click customize this template. If you don't see this option, don't worry. We'll see how we can change the size in the next topic. Let's come back to Canva homepage. Another place where we can search for templates is the search box. We can enter poster, and we can choose Canva templates, and we see poster, double-side A3 landscape, and poster, double-side A3 portrait. So we can choose any size we want. And now we see a lot of templates for A3 size. So we can choose any template we want. We see that we can choose size and we can click customize this template. If we want to check the size, we can go to the file. And here we see the size, the dimension of our poster. So let's choose the one poster and let's see how we can work with poster. Let's go to Canva homepage. I'm entering black and modern billiards poster. And now I am choosing this one. We see it has a drawn euro. We can select the size. I choose A3 and click customize this template. If you can't find this template, you will find the link into the resources. Click on it and click use template for a new design. And you will be on the same page. We can see watermarks with a note to remove the watermark. We can check it. Let's go to share and download. We see there is a premium image and we can delete it. Here is a gradient. Let's see what it is. There are transitions that are very often used. I delete them. And now let's go to elements and type gradient that fades to transparency. And choose graphics. We will see many, both paid and free. Let's look for a free one. Let's try this one. We can rotate it. We can enlarge it. Let's change the color. Go to colors. And let's choose black. We can change the second color or leave it white. Look at what you think looks better. Let's go to position and layers and ensure the gradient is above the photo. Let's duplicate it and move it down. Flip it horizontally. And again, check the position. Let's go to position and place it next to the photo. We can also adjust the transitions transparency. Here it is, transparency. Transparency, and we can adjust it. Now I will delete the transitions, gradients, and make some adjustments to the poster. I write trumpet, concert. We can also add a date, change the photo. Let's go to the left side menu, apps, and I'm entering Pixabay. And I will search for free trumpet player photos on Pixabay. Okay, let's choose, for example, this one. We can drag it. Now at the bottom, we can write all the details, sponsors, hashtags, who sells the tickets, and so on. Now we can look for a type of transitions, of gradients. Let's go to the left side menu, elements and gradients. We can see magic recommendation. So we see there are various types available. Let's pay attention to whether we can change the colors. Let's choose one that we like. We can change the color. Make it bigger. Change the position. Let's see, position and layers. We can duplicate it and flip and flip and flip it. And now let's go to the position and check layers. We need put it down. We can also try with another one. Okay, I am deleting this one, and now let's check with this one. We can resize it, make it bigger. And let's go to position and drag it down. And now we can duplicate it. We can rotate. And I fix the position. I see the picture moved a little, so I will select it and center it. That's it about posters. I hope you found it useful. That's it about posters. I hope you found it useful. See you.